This renovation project majorly involved restoration of this 20 years old farmhouse which was uninhabited for about 20 years. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Inkstone Infra. Let's get into Vrindavan.
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna.
This is the renovation story of this 20 years old farmhouse that is located close to Bannerghatta, Bangalore. I'm Siddharth, the founder.
I am Harini Chandrasekhar, the Chief Architect at Inkstone Infra, the #1 home renovation company in Bangalore.
Let's get into the video.
This renovation project majorly involved restoration of this 20 years old farmhouse which was uninhabited for about 20 years.
It had issues such as roof leaking, dilapidated living spaces like kitchen, bedrooms and broken skylight in the middle, etc.
This farmhouse has a strong personality. It is constructed on this 9,000 square feet plot and has a spacious front yard. The spacious walkways are created around the house, blending it beautifully with the harmony of nature. The roof is a combination system with gable roof and flat roof structure around which the house is built, giving it a unique architectural elegance.
It has natural stone walls which gives it a strong character for its exterior and interior. One can walk around the house absorbing the peace it provides.
Hence, the renovation involved careful civil renovation and adding a minimalistic interior design.
The front yard was literally open with an outdated compound wall. Though there was an ample provision for landscaping, it was not taken care well.
The purpose behind this renovation project was to create a relaxing farmhouse for our clients to spend their weekends away from the hustle and bustle of the city.
The entrance leads to an open to sky elevated platform. We have taken out old rusted roof and replaced it with modern designed roof, transparent glass on top. This is done as a functional feature to keep the house well lit with natural light and to withstand monsoon rains of Bangalore from flowing in.